Since our beginnings in the 1960s, we have worked with a clear goal: to be a benchmark in high-performance mold solutions, offering precision, innovation and quality service. Today, we will show you the journey each request takes, from the moment it's received to its final delivery. Welcome to Bru y Rubio. Founded in 1962, we have evolved from being a local supplier to a specialized manufacturer of high-precision components for molds and plastic injection systems. We market a complete range of components and accessories with high standards of quality and service. We focus on personalized service to meet and improve the competitiveness of our clients in a globalized environment. Our mission is to be the trusted partner in high-performance mold solutions, helping our customers achieve more efficient production with superior quality. We envision a future where we lead the global market in mold and die technology, driving manufacturing toward new sustainable frontiers. At Bru y Rubio, every stage of manufacturing is carefully supervised to ensure that our products reflect the excellence and reliability that define us. We focus on every detail of the process, ensuring that we meet the highest quality standards to fully satisfy our customers' expectations. Quality control is an absolute priority at Bru y Rubio. Our activity spans across Europe, with branches in the United Kingdom, Poland and Brazil, and production centres in Spain and Portugal. Thanks to our international network, we can stay close to our clients and respond efficiently to their needs. Every product undergoes rigorous resistance, precision and durability tests, ensuring compliance with the highest quality standards. This commitment has positioned us as leaders in key sectors such as plastics, offering innovative and reliable solutions to our clients. The values of Bru y Rubio are at the core of everything we do: precision and quality in every component we produce, innovation, adopting advanced technologies to stay at the forefront, sustainability, minimizing our environmental impact, continuous improvement, exceeding industry standards day by day. At Bru y Rubio, we honor the legacy of our founders while looking forward to the future. We work every day to deliver products that make a difference, and our dedication to quality, innovation and service drives us forward. Thank you for trusting us.